Welcome back to the Dapper House, gentlemen. In today's video, we'll teach you how to take care of your dress shoes. Now let's get started. Now let's talk about the items you'll need to care for your shoes. We're gonna start with this leather conditioner. This is Renovateur. Then you're gonna want a cream polish, such as this right here from Saphir. And you're gonna want a wax polish, such as this wax polish from Saphir. I choose to buy Saphir products because I think they're the best out there, but there's lots of different cream and wax polishes and leather conditioners out there, so choose the one that you like. The last thing you're gonna need is a brush to clean your shoes with. The first step in this process is to add leather conditioner to these shoes. And to do that, you just wanna dip your finger in, just get a little bit of the leather conditioner on your finger. And what you want to do is gently massage it into the leather of the shoe. Make sure you get all parts of the shoe. You don't have to go over it twice. Just make sure that the leather darkens a little bit where you're putting the conditioner, because that's going to signify that that conditioner is actually nourishing the leather. So don't be alarmed if your light brown pair of shoes gets a little bit darker when you put conditioner on it. That just means the leather was a little dried out. It will dry and go back to its original color. Once you've finished conditioning the leather, let it dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. Then you're gonna take your horsehair brush and you're gonna buff the shoe to get any dried up conditioner that didn't get nourished into the leather off the shoe. And what you'll notice is, just give it a nice firm brush, nothing crazy. It starts to build a little bit of a shine just from the conditioner. Now that you've nourished your leather, the next step is to add a cream polish just to build up that shine a little bit more. And the cream polish will also nourish the leather as well. So again, we're just gonna take a little bit on our finger and we're just gonna begin to massage it into that leather. Don't take too much. Less is definitely more. You just wanna evenly distribute it across the leather. Now, because this cream polish has pigment, you don't wanna leave globs on there because that could discolor that part of the shoe. You want to evenly distribute it. And the great thing about Saphir products is they have a wide range of different colors. So whatever color your shoes are, you can get cream polish that matches your shoes, and it's going to make them really look good. Again, once you've evenly distributed your cream polish across the entire shoe, what you're going to do is take your horsehair brush and again, buff the shoe, getting any excess polish or dried polish off there that didn't get nourished into the leather. You're gonna really start to see that soft shine come out once you buff it this time. Now that you've added your conditioner and your cream polish, it's time to add the final step, which is gonna be your wax polish. It's gonna raise that Dapper meter just a little bit more. Again, you're gonna take a little bit on your finger, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just gently add one layer, this is important, one layer of wax polish throughout the entire shoe. What the wax polish is gonna do is it's gonna give you that extra shine. It's also gonna give you a little bit of protection from liquids. It's not gonna completely protect your shoes. Like, you don't wanna walk out in the rain, but it is gonna give you a little bit of protection if you spill some liquid on there. Now, the only place that you would want to put more than one coat of wax polish on the shoe is on the toe cap. And that is if you want to get a mirror shine, which is a different thing altogether. This is going to be your basic shoe maintenance. But again, cover the entire shoe with one layer of wax polish to give it a really nice shine. Now, once you've covered the entire shoe in wax polish, you're going to let it dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. And I think you know where I'm going with this. You're gonna take your horsehair brush and you're gonna buff off any excess wax off the shoe. And now, once you do that, you're really gonna see that shine coming through. And your shoes are gonna look better than 95% of people out there. In summary, we're gonna use our conditioner, our cream polish, and our wax polish to really make our shoes stand out. Now, if you only had enough money for one of these products, I would definitely choose the conditioner because you're gonna get the most out of it. It's gonna nourish your leather and give you a little bit of shine. If you choose to do all three, just remember, light brown shoes need light brown polish, dark brown shoes need dark brown polish. If you mix and match them, you're gonna mess up the colors on your shoes, and we don't want that. Thank you for joining us here at the Dapper House. Hit that like and subscribe to support our channel, and stay dapper out there.